The prep for this sidewalk. Doesn't really show the elevation, but as you see, this door's rotted out. I'm gonna be replacing that door. And as you see, the floor in here is lower than the dirt out here. So I'm gonna take that and make it a step. That way our concrete's gonna be a hair lower than the outside, on the outside, than the inside. That way they won't have this problem. Yes. I'll show you what we're about to do. You'll be impressed. Please like, share, and subscribe. Oh yeah. I didn't bring it up. Okay, now go back on that line and go like accordingly. Line. That way when you cut to it, you're not pulling it. Just make sure you accordingly. And then up here is where we got
This is all nice flow.
yes, we're adding a little gravel here and there and get height right. It is not. It's tight. That's what I'm talking about. Like fresh haircut. Look at that. It's the start of it. If they see what I'm doing, they'd appreciate it in person. Get the line cut. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Water was literally heading for that door. DIY sidewalk. Trying to get the height right. This is a DIY. The pro you need to tire. He had to run around.